Facebook have a new design that they've started to roll out to people around the world. Now, I myself don't have it yet, but I have seen some images of it and it definitely looks interesting. So stick around because I'm going to take you through the information that I have on the new Facebook design layout, and that's all coming up right now. Is this Facebook's new design layout for 2022? Some users around the world have noticed this new design when they logged back into Facebook. Now, I haven't been able to find out too much information about it yet, but I did find this blog article by Stan Schroeder on the Mashable website, and he says here he woke up on a Sunday morning to Facebook's new design. And these are some of the images that he has included in his blog article. Definitely looks different to what we're currently used to. And here is another image as well. And we had the third image here that was the one that I started on. So this is the new design layout that is starting to appear on select users around the world. So we don't know whether it's a test and a pilot and it's going to be relaunched for everyone, but time will tell, I suppose. Now, Stan in his blog article says that it is a little bit confusing because the navigation bar has been moved over here onto the left-hand side, as we can see again here on this image. And this is probably the best image that I've been able to come across first. So it's been 2 years since Facebook last updated the design and the layout. They do this every few years. But basically, Stan in his blog article says it's confusing to say the least. Remembering this is the current layout design that we've had for a couple of years. This is my Facebook business page. We've got all the navigation bars up the top, that type of thing. So this is the layout that everyone is used to. So this then becomes a huge change, doesn't it? And I've also found this blog article from ROI Hacks, Facebook's new page experience. So I'll put the links to both of these in the description below and everyone can have a further read on them. But this one opens with, Facebook has forced you to use the new page design and you are lost on how to use it. So what has changed? So that's been some of the themes that I've read on some blog websites, that type of thing, that it looks very confusing. And on this ROI Hacks blog article, it starts to give us some more information. What is Facebook's new page experience? It goes on to say there is a new page layout. It says easier ways to switch between your personal Facebook profile and your Facebook pages. Facebook page newsfeed. You will have a separate newsfeed for your Facebook page. Facebook page management has also changed, and new simplified Facebook page insights. Now they go on here and say, how do you switch to the new page experience? Basically, you can't. You have to wait till you get this pop-up that will appear, and it goes on to say, you'll see a new page experience over the next few days, and it does have some bullet points there on what some of those changes will entail. One of the things they say that is changing, the Facebook page roles is disappearing, where you could add someone as an admin or a user or an owner, that type of thing. Facebook now showing likes anymore, or not showing any likes. It says once you switch to the new Facebook page experience, you no longer see how many Facebook users have liked your Facebook page. You will only see followers. So it looks like they're rolling everyone into just a follower of your page, whereas previously someone could like your page or someone could follow it. And here's another little snapshot on the redesigned Facebook. As you can see, the layout of the Facebook page has also changed significantly. Unfortunately, it seems to be a fixed change, so Facebook is not likely to change this. So it might be getting rolled out for everyone. We'll just have to wait and see. So there we go. We will end it with this image. It's probably the best image that I've seen so far. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have the new design? Leave me your thoughts in regard to what you think of the new design layout. While you're there, if you're watching this video on my Facebook page, here is the old version, or the current version still for me. Don't forget to like and follow my page here on Facebook to stay up to date with all of my content. Or equally, you might be watching it on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well.